Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here and today we are going to unbox the HKT wireless charger. So let's unbox it. So here I have the parcel which contains our wireless charger. First of all, let's open it. And let's just rip it off, and inside it we have our HKT wireless charger. So let me just open it. So here is the box. On the front you have some of its specification. Let me just focus on it. So here we have wireless charger. Now here it says smart charger, quick charger and smart help. Anyways, on the back here on the top we have the model, which is model WX3. On the back we simply have our mobile phone, a picture of a mobile phone, and on top of the wireless charger. Anything other than that, it doesn't have any more specifications. So let's just open it. Now here is the seal. Oh okay, it will open like this, my bad. Anyways, here is the wireless charger itself. So it is quite stuck, and here it is. Here is our small little HKT wireless charger for our smartphones. As you can see on the back we have its model number WX5. Input is DC 5 volt 2 ampere and output is 5 volt 1 ampere, and other than that it has a small grip on it to prevent it from slipping. And now beneath the box we have this little charging cable. One side will go to our charger and the other side will connect to the HKT wireless charger. So let me just remove this thing and let me get my charger first. Okay, this is a decent amount of length of the wire. Here is my charger. It's a fast charger. Anyways, let me just connect it. And one side I will connect it with the wireless charger. So here you can see you're simply just going to connect it, and it has safely been connected. Now let me just plug the other side to the wall. So the wire was not long enough to reach to the table, so I have to put it on the cushion that was side and close to the wall mount. So I'm going to power on the wall plug, and you can see a light is on around the wireless charger, indicating that it is getting power from the wall charger. So I'm just going to place my mobile phone on top of it, and let's see whether it works or not. And you heard, now it is charging wirelessly. So anyways guys, this was a quick unboxing of the HKT wireless charger. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section below, and thank you for watching this video.